I work with the Douala carbonates. We've been in the industry for the last 40 years in South Africa. In our company, it's the speed and reliability of the feed. You know, getting product in, getting product out. And Boecker has made it very easy to transfer the product from raw to final product. They've got a good reputation, and we need that reliability in order to be successful in the marketplace. Well, I look at the functionality of it. The electronics seem to be the same, very reliable. The robustness of the machine is amazing. The way they put it together, the simplicity to get to all the functioning parts. I think they're hitting a market that they've never been able to exploit before.
My name is Clarence. I work for Douala Carbonates. I'm the plant manager one. You know, when a machine is simple, you know half of your problems are resolved because your maintenance personnel quickly know it, and moving parts are very minimum. When I look into this and that's a 8-spout machine, the difference that one's a bit complicated, this is simple. I've worked with other machines like ill machines, 10-spout machines. When it's simple like this, are better.
The service is absolutely phenomenal. Africa, being a third world country, doesn't always have access to spares and equipment, but Boecker has made it very easy for us to have accessibility to it.
I think the experience and the relationship that I have developed with the guys is awesome.
It's a local agent that comes service us regularly, and he's very active in all our needs and supplies all our stuff on a regular basis. The Panther machine that they've brought out here, if you look at the total design, the color, the way it's been put together, the functionality, it's an amazing machine, and I think Harvard's going to have a great future in this market.